So good morning, class 8. Today, after completing chapter number 12, we are going to discuss the NCERT workbook, worksheet number 23. So kindly write your name, class, section, roll number. Your first question is MCQs. Choose the most appropriate answer. So let's, first is your, what is the frictional force exerted by liquids called? Yes, Akshita.
Ma'am, drag.
It is known as drag. So B, sorry, this is not the B part. Here is the B part. Next is, in the decreasing order of magnitude, which of the following is correct? Decreasing order. You have to put it in the decreasing order. Children, kindly switch on your cameras. You have to see the arrows. If the order is decreasing, तो सबसे पहले आपके पास कौन सा आना चाहिए? Which is having the maximum. More friction is there. Okay. So tell me the correct sequence. Which can be the correct sequence for it?
Ma'am, B part is static, sliding and rolling.
Static, sliding and rolling. This is the true one, B part. Next, which of the following is a disadvantage of a friction? Disadvantage of friction.
A. It enables the brake of a car to work.
Yes, which one? A1. It enables the brakes of a car to work. Okay.
No, ma'am, D part, it wears out our shoes.
Yes. Both are true, I think, but options are wear out our shoes. Yes, this is a disadvantage of friction. It enables the brake of the car to work. This is also true. Next, which of the following activities will produce the least amount of frictional force? Frictional force is least.
Ma'am, C part, ice skating.
Ice skating is
Ice
the,
skating.
yes, ice skating is the true part, because on ice we are not able to move. There is a least amount of frictional force. Number 5, which of the following shows that friction exists between the two bodies?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in third part, A, I think A is the advantage of friction because it helps us to stop our car.
Okay. So D is the option. Next is number 5. Which of the following shows that friction exists between the two bodies? When the movement is decreased or prevented, when there is a constant movement, when electromagnet charges are produced, when there is a constant increase in weight. So the first one option is correct, because we can identify that friction is into play when the movement is decreased or prevented. Then we come to know that the friction has been reduced. The friction is there in the play. Next, you need to complete the following statements by using the appropriate words. First is, friction opposes the dash.
Motion.
Between,
Motion.
yes, it.
Ma'am, the relative motion.
Yes, you can write down the relative motion. One is the same thing, is there? Relative motion or motion. Friction produces dash heat. Yes, what can be there? Heat already is there.
Pressure.
Yes. Yes. Batao.
Excessive heat.
Excess heat, more heat you can write down. Excess or more you can write down. So till here everybody has done.
Yes, ma'am.
I think you have done that MCQs. Next is number 3 is, with increase of temperature, the frictional forces between two of the objects, what happened to it? With increase of temperature, the frictional force acting between the two surfaces. Tell me, either it increases or decreases. With increase of temperature, the frictional force acting between two surfaces either increases or decreases.
Ma'am, decreases.
Decrease.
Yes, children, any idea? So when the temperature increases, the frictional force decreases. It decreases. Ball bearing convert the sliding friction to which type of friction? Anshika?
I'm rolling motion.
Yes, it converted
I'm
into
rolling friction.
rolling. Rolling friction. No surface is dash and some are always there. No surface is frictionless. Some friction is some irregularities you can write down. Some irregularities are always there. Okay? Next, correct and rewrite the following statements. Only rough surfaces have irregularities. So we have to make the corrections. Yes, Ananya Jain?
All surfaces have irregularities.
Yes. So we can say that all of the surfaces have friction. So instead of only rough surface, you may write down all. Next, sliding friction is less than a rolling friction. Is it true?
More than a rolling friction.
Ma'am,
Yes,
less
instead
than
of a
the
less,
friction. Ma'am, less than more.
or you can change it. Rolling को पहले ला सकते हैं. Rolling is less than a sliding, or you may change. It is more. So instead of a less, there will be a more. Next, D part. Handles of motorcycle are covered with a rubber sheet having spikes on it. What is the reason behind it? I think everybody has seen even the motorcycle or even the cycles. The handles of cycles are covered with a black colored rubber sheet and there are spikes on it. What is the reason of behind it? Kindly raise your hand. Yes, Anshika.
Ma'am, because they provide grip.
Grip. Okay. They provide a grip to us and the surface is made rough. Why the surface is made too rough? To increase the friction so that we can provide a better grip to the handles. So I think you can write down yourself. Write down in a complete sentence. For better grip. I'm writing in a short manner, but you need to write down in the complete sentence. For a better grip, as it reduces the friction. Number 2, why is it easier to open a bottle cap by gripping it with a towel? Many of time you have done this activity at your home. If your bottle cap is not able to open, you just use another type of cloth or you just use a towel for it. Have you done this activity? Have you
Yes,
tried it
ma'am.
once? Many times we used to
Yes,
do. If we are not able to open,
Yeah.
so we try it with another way. Yes, Prateksha?
It is easier to open a bottle cap by gripping it with a towel, as rough surface of towel help in increasing of friction.
Yes. And we can, again, the same thing is there. The rough surface of a towel helps to increase the friction. And we can
And thus
open
it
the,
provides a Better
Yes,
grip.
it provides a better grip, and we are able to open the bottle cap easily. So children, write down these 2 points. Provides a better grip, and secondly, you may write down, it provides a better grip, and second thing, it increases the friction. Kindly write down. Done, everyone? Next,
Yes,
question
ma'am.
number 3 is here. A box was pushed equal distance on 4 different surfaces. I hope the box is similar and distance is equal. But where is the difference? The difference is between the different surfaces. The force needed for each surface was recorded as given below. The force applied 670 Newton, 570 Newton, 320 and 500. On which surface was the friction least? Give reason. So you have to understand this question. The box is moved. We are moving a box and applying this much force. 670 force I had applied. Okay, to move the surface from one place to move the object from one place to another. But the surface is different. So आपको बताना है इसमें कि किस में आपको जो force है friction is least. फ्रिक्शन लीस्ट होगा तो ऑब्जेक्ट आपका जल्दी मूव करेगा. थिंक एंड टेल मी.
Ma'am, in a surface R, there was a least friction because in rubbed surface has more friction and it cover less distance.
आपको you have to tell which surface was the friction least. So you have told that our surface has the least friction. What is the reason? On what basis you have got it? Because a
Ma'am,
person.
because that
Yes, tell me, tell.
because that surface is more smoother than others.
Yes, because in this case, a person has to apply a less force. This is the reason. If he has to apply a less force to change the direction of a box, it means the surface has a least friction. Got it? You have taken idea from this that a surface is rough or smoother hai, whatever type of the surface is there, the less force is applied in this case. So our surface is having the least friction. So write down here. Surface R is having a least friction. Kindly write down yourself. Write down. Saksham Vasalwal, you are not writing. Where is your NCERT workbook? Saksham Vasanwal. Next. Naman Rana, I want the answer from your side. 4th A part. Identify whether the methods mentioned below are increasing or decreasing friction. You need to give reason for it. The tires of vehicles have treads. What's the reason behind it? Either it is to increase the friction or to decrease the friction. Naman Rana. Unmute and tell. Yes, Anya, Ivanshi, give the answers for it. The tires of the wheels are treaded. Why it is so? Tell
Ma'am,
fast.
it's for decreasing the friction.
Yes,
Ma'am, it's for decreasing the friction.
the friction is need to decrease. Aryan Singh, Pari Agarwal. Yes, Neha Jain. Switch on your cameras and give me the reason. Aryan Singh, give the reason.
Tires of the vehicles have threads to increase the friction.
This is to, why to so? It is to increase friction. Next, gymnast apply a coarse material on their hand. Yes, Aryan Singh. Surbhi, Aryan Singh not able to give the answer. Adityas, Raghav, Anshika Goel. Why it is so? Either to increase or either to decrease? Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, to increase the friction.
For better grip.
To increase
So
the
they can-
friction for better grip. Saliva in your mouth helps us to swallow food. The
Ma'am,
food,
to decrease.
it becomes, the food becomes slippery.
Decrease.
Next, a surgeon powders his hand before putting on plastic gloves. What is the reason? He
Ma'am,
wants
to
to
increase the
increase
friction.
or decrease the friction. Why he do so?
Decrease the friction.
Yes, to decrease the friction. To decrease the friction. To decrease the friction. So children, this was your first worksheet number 23.